Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 5 Division Worksheet 7. Now we solve question number 1. Divide 28 divided by 5. First, we recite the multiplication table of 5 till we get 28. We will not get 28 in the table of 5. So, recite till you get the number which is just less than 28. So 5 5 ja 25. Now subtract this product from the dividend. 8 minus 5 equal 3. Then 2 minus 2 equal 0. We get 2. So here quotient is 5. And the remainder is 3. Now we solve point B. 17 divided by 4. First, we recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get 17. We will not get 17 in the table of 4. So we recite till you get the number which is just less than 17. So we write 4 4 ja 16. Now subtract this product from the dividend. 17 minus 16 equal 1. And the remainder is 1. Then another point C. 37 divided by 6. Sorry, here quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. Then see, 37 divided by 6. First, recite the multiplication of table 6 till we get 37. Then 37 will not get in the table of 6. Then we recite multiplication of table 6 till we get which is just less than 37. Then 6 6 ja 36. Then subtract the products from the dividend. 7 minus 6 equal 1, 3 minus 3 equal 0. Here quotient is 6. And a remainder 1. Then another point D. 22 divided by 4. Divided by 4. First, we recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get 22. 22 is not found in the table of 4. So, we recite till you get the number which is just less than 22. Then 4 5 ja 20. Then 2 minus 0 equal 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal 0. Here quotient is equal 5 and the remainder equal 2. Now we solve another point E. 20 divided 3. First, we recite the multiplication table of 20. First we recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get 20. We cannot find 20 in the multiplication table of 3. Then, we recite the till you get which is number just less than 20. 3 6 ja 18. Then we subtract the product from dividend. Then 0 minus 8 we cannot subtract it, so we want to borrow. Then 10 minus 8 equal to 1 minus 1 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 6. And a remainder equal 2. Then another point F. 45 divided by 6. First, we recite the multiplication table of 6 till we get 45. 45 will not get in the table of 6. Then recite till we get the number which is just less than 45. Then 6 7 ja 42. Now subtract this product from the dividend. 5 minus 2 equal 3. Then 4 minus 4 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 7 and remainder equal 3. Then another point G. 33 divided by 5. First, we recite the multiplication table of 5 till we get 33. We will not get 33 in the multiplication table of 5. Then we recite till we get the number which is just less than 33. Then 5 6 ja 30. Now subtract this product from the dividend. 33 minus 30 equal 3. Here quotient equal 6 and remainder equal 3. Then another point H. 28 divided 3. First, we recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get 28. 28 will not get in the multiplication table of 3. Then we recite till we get which is just less than 28. Then 3 9 ja 27. Then 28 minus 27 equal 1. Here quotient equal 9 and the remainder equal 1. Then another point I. 11 divided by 5. First, we recite the multiplication table of 5 till we get 11. Will not get 11 in the multiplication table of 5. Then we recite multiplication table of 5 which is just less than 11. Then 5 2 ja 10. Now we subtract the product from the dividend. 11 minus 10 equal 1. Here quotient is 2 and remainder equal 1. Now solve question number 2. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. First question number 2a. 18 divided 5. First, we recite the multiplication table of 5 till we get 18. We will not get 18 in the multiplication table of 5. Then we recite multiplication of table 5 till we get less than 18. Then 5 3 ja 15. Then 18 minus 15 equal 3. Here quotient equal 3 and remainder equal also 3. Now we solve point 2. (27) divided 6. 27 divided by 6. First, we recite the multiplication table of 6 till we get 27. 27 will not get in the table of 6. Then 6 4 ja 24. Now subtract this product from the dividend. 7 minus 4 equal 3, 2 minus 2 equal 0. Here quotient equal 4 and remainder equal 3. Now solve another point C. 60 divided by 9. 60 divide 9. First, we recite the multiplication table of 9. Till you get 60. 60 will not get in the multiplication table of 9. Then you recite till you get number which is just less than 60. Then 9 6 are 54. Then 0 minus 4 we cannot subtract it and borrow. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then 5 minus 5 equals 0. Here quotient equals 6 and remainder also 6. Then another point D. 77 divide 8. First, we recite the multiplication table of 8 till we get 77. 77 will not get in the multiplication table of 8. Then we recite multiplication table 8 till we get which is just less than 77. 8 9 ja 72. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 7 minus 2 equal 5. Then 7 minus 7 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 9. Quotient equal 9 and remainder equal 5. Now solve another point E. 68 divided 7. First, recite the multiplication table of 7 till we get 68. 68 we cannot get in the multiplication table of 7. Then we recite the multiplication table 7 which is just less than 68. Then 7 9 ja 63. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 8 minus 3 equal 5. Then 6 minus 6 equal 0. Then your quotient equal 9 and the remainder equal 5. Now we solve another point F. 53 divided 5. 53 divided by 5. First, we recite the multiplication table of 5 till we get 53. 53 we cannot get in the multiplication table of 5. Then we recite till we get which is just less than 53. So 5 10 ja 50. Then 3 minus 0 equal 3. Then 5 minus 5 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 10 and remainder equal 3. Now we solve another point G. 45 divided 4. First, we recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get 45. will not get 45 in the table of 4. Then recite till we get the number which is just less than 45. Then 44, 4 1 ja 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then 5. 4 1 ja 4. Then 5 minus 4 equals 1. Here quotient equal 11 and a remainder equal 1. Then another point H. 33 divide 4. 33 divide 4. First, we recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get 33. We cannot find 33 in the multiplication table of 4. Then we recite multiplication table of 4 which is just less than 33. Then 4 8 ja 32. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1, 3 minus 3 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 8 and a remainder equal 1. Now we solve another point I. 75 divided 8. 75 divided 8. First, we recite the multiplication table of 8 till we get 75. 75 we cannot find in the multiplication table of 8. Then we recite the multiplication of table 8 which is just less than 75. Then 8 9 ja 72. Now we subtract the product from dividend. 5 minus 2 equal 3, 7 minus 7 equal 0. Here we get quotient equal 9 and a remainder equal 3. Thank you.